But if you're... What is happening right now? I just loaded... No.
Hudson Soft.
No. Fuck. I'm fucking everything up, Patrick. I'm fucking everything up. I don't even know what's happening.
Paul is fucking it up.
Yeah. Oh, fuck!
Oh, no!
God damn it!
No!
Oh, my God! No! Fuck! Jesus Christ! Really? Like, no joke I'm fucking this up. Oh, my
Is your
God.
phone okay?
My butt is so warm. Oh, God damn it.
For those listening, if this is even in the video, oh my God, he just spilled his coffee all over his butt. He got coffee butt.
I'm not...
That brown coffee butt.
You got the brown butt? You got coffee in your pants?
You got the brown butt.
We gonna call you coffee pants. Who met the coffee pants? Hey, coffee pants. Dude, that's fucked up. That's just like a kid in fucking high school spills coffee all over and goes, oh, it's fucking coffee pants!
You can call me the coffee man.
What the fuck?
That's what I am.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Please tell me you know that song.
Is that The Seeker?
I think so.
Wait, what the fucking... The Seeker isn't... It doesn't have as many syllables as Coffee Man.
Shut up.
I've been searching low and high.
No, it's that's not the song.
Oh, you're right. It's let's see.
So you can call me
the
the
Working Man by Styx. Okay,
There you go.
right.
So it still works.
You're right. That was me. That was my bad. You can call me the Coffee Pants. God.
It's what my stance.
There we go. Cool. Rhyming words, Patrick. What do I do with this? Okay, are there any, like, middle-aged housewives listening in? Because I just poured coffee on a couch cushion.
You flip it.
I mean, that's what I was about to do, but it makes me feel bad. I'm like, I'm just going to flip it over. So I hope nobody... Oh, I like it. I hope nobody judges me flipping my couch cushion. I don't know what to...
At least it smells good in here now. It smells like coffee.
Every time you sit down. To the people listening, if you just spilled coffee on a couch cushion, what do you do with it? Legitimately, if you're listening and you do know something that you would do, let me know. And it'll probably be way too late. I'm gonna pour vinegar on it. I'm gonna fucking pour vinegar. Is that what people do?
I don't know. Internet. Look up the internet.
No, we've got shit to do. We've got games to play. What am I?
But
why
the
am I
internet.
walking around? I am walking around.
I don't know what you're doing.
I wanted coffee. That's what happened.
Make more.
No, I've got more. I just need to pour
Good.
in my cup.
That's what I'm saying.
Fuck! It's fucking coffee! It's on my ass.
Coffee butt. You got the coffee butt.
This is the worst coffee butt I've ever seen. I was gonna make that a lie.